Are you tired of lowball offers when trying to sell your car? Is pricing it a guessing game? Well, stick around because we're diving into how to get your car's real value.
Many sellers either undervalue their vehicles or overprice them, leading to missed opportunities or months on the market. Today, we're looking at CarValueScout, which aims to solve this.
CarValueScout. So what makes it different from, say, Kelley Blue Book or just trading it in?
Good question. CarValueScout focuses on real private party prices, reflecting what people actually pay on platforms like AutoTrader and Facebook Marketplace, rather than relying on dealer estimates or outdated book values. Plus, it factors in local market data, which is a big deal.
Local data. Okay, that makes sense. What if my car is, in really good shape? Is there a way to prove that to potential buyers?
Absolutely. CarValueScout offers a vehicle history report that documents service records, accident history, recall status, and more. Providing that kind of transparency can really boost a buyer's confidence.
That's really good to know. And what about issues like a check engine light? Can CarValueScout help with that?
Yes, it decodes check engine codes, estimates repair costs, and adjusts the car's value accordingly. This way, sellers can decide if repairs are worth it before listing. Ultimately, CarValueScout arms sellers with data, preparing them for objections and helping them sell faster, which is something that everyone wants.
Fantastic. It sounds like CarValueScout is a great resource for anyone looking to sell their car with confidence. Thanks for sharing your insights.